Hi everyone, I will show you the simplest way of scheduling meetings with Zoom with your Google Calendar. I will show you how to add this extension called Zoom for G Suite. So let's get started. Go to your Gmail and on the right at the bottom, click on the plus sign, and this is where you're going to add this extension to your G Suite. Type Zoom for G Suite and click on this plus sign to install it. And click install. Continue. And now use your Gmail account to log in. Here you are allowing Zoom to access your calendar events and to create calendar events with Zoom. Click allow. And now Zoom for G Suite is being installed into your G Suite account. Next, I will show you how to create a new meeting with Zoom conferencing. So for that, we will go to your calendar. Let's create a new meeting now. Click on more options to see the bigger screen and give the meeting a name. And notice here you have a new little add-on called Add Conferencing. Click on that and click on Zoom Meeting. Zoom will create a new meeting for you with a password, so it's super secure. And you never have to go to the Zoom app and schedule a meeting there. Everything is already done for you. Click Save. Now another cool thing you can do is if you already had a meeting on your calendar and you now want to add Zoom to it, simply click on it, edit it, and add Zoom to it as well. This will create a different meeting with its own password. Click Save. Now, whenever you're ready to join the meeting, simply click on the calendar event, click on Join, and that will add you to your meeting. That's it. Next time, I will be showing you cool little tricks that you can use when you are hosting your Zoom meeting.